Hey, what's up guys? Scott Holroyd here. Hope you're having an awesome day and welcome to the Tuesday Tricks and Hacks, where this week we're going to be looking at the power of video and audio marketing through our chatbot. Let's jump on it. So, as you may or may not know, ManyChat allow you to use both video and audio marketing within your chatbot. All you need to do is jump over to your ManyChat account, jump on over to a flow, and you'll see, as long as you have a pro account, that you can actually add video and audio to your chatbot flows. Well, why is this important? Well, first of all, let's strip this right back. Because before you even bring on a chatbot subscriber, you need to make sure that you understand your message and you understand your audience. You only want to be bringing people into your chatbot who are actually going to get benefit from the content that you're putting out there. So if you're helping people to lose weight, then you're not going to go and grab a load of course creators and put them into your chatbot. You want to make sure that your message is coming across and people are investing in that message because they know that you're the person who's going to take them from where they are now to where they want to be. So, when you've got them in that chatbot and you've got the right people in your chatbot, then all of a sudden your engagement rates are better than ever before. So we can go out with normal text-based conversation, which is fantastic and it works amazingly well. But you've got to remember, people buy people. This is so important. People don't buy your products. People don't buy your services. People don't even buy your ideas. People buy you and the things that you stand for. So having video and having audio within your marketing flows works amazingly well because it builds that authority on a one-to-one level. What I mean by that is I could have just wrote a post in this group today all about video and audio marketing. But the simple fact that I'm doing a video shows my face, you can actually hear what I'm talking about, and you're going to invest in this video, which means you're going to invest in me a little bit more than what you would have done if I'd just done a text-based post. So, how do you do video and how do you do audio and why should you be using it? Well, let's start out with video. So video is super simple, and I know that it's scary when you first get on camera, and if you've never done this before and you're scared of that you're going to mess up your words, I just actually messed up a word there, but if you're scared that you're going to mess up your words, I can't even get that out, or you don't know what to talk about, then it can be a very daunting task. And I totally get it. I remember the first time I went on camera, I was so nervous. Now, I just understand that it's okay to make mistakes. Number one, I can edit it out. And number two, I'm probably going to leave most of the mistakes in anyway because it makes no difference. People don't like shiny, polished videos for the simple fact that they can't relate to it. If I'm telling people to get on camera and I have an over-edited video, then they're never going to have that self-belief. Whereas if I show that it's okay to mess up and it's okay to go wrong, then it's fine. And maybe then that'll give you that little bit of confidence to go and do it yourself. So when we go out on video, what we're doing is we're promoting ourselves as a personal brand, remembering that people buy people. So what we can do is we can make a short video. This short video can be up to 25 megabytes that you can put onto your bot, and ManyChat will send that out as a video that people can watch direct in Messenger. So they don't have to click a link to go on over to YouTube to watch that video. They can just stream it right there and then in Messenger. And on this Tricks and Hacks today, I'm actually going to make a video, and then I'm going to put it on over on my chatbot. I'm going to send it out. So if you're on my chatbot, you'll actually receive the video that I'm going to do within this video, if that makes sense. So the second thing that I want to talk about is audio. So audio is really good for the simple fact that although video is very powerful and it shows your face, audio means that people can hear your message, they can hear you saying that message, but they can listen to it whenever they want to listen to it. So you have to think about viewing times. And what I mean by that is when people can actually view your content. If you're putting out videos and people are sat at work, they're not going to really be able to watch that video. If you're putting out video and they're over at the gym, they're not really going to be able to watch that video. If they're sat on a bus or on a train or in a taxi or they're driving the car, they're not going to be able to watch that video. Whereas with audio, then they can listen to this whenever they want. It means that when they're down at the gym, they can plug their earphones in and they can listen to your audio message. It means that they're on their commute, they can listen to your audio message. If they're driving in the car, they can listen to your audio message. Maybe when they're in bed on the night before they go to sleep, they can listen to your audio messages. So it's super simple to do this. All you need is a webcam, which is nice and cheap to buy. You need a microphone, so you don't have to have the same microphone I have. You can just grab yourself a microphone easily under $10, $15. You can grab yourself a webcam for around about the same price, and you can start making videos. If you don't want to make them as professional, then you can just use your phone. And phone videos are still very, very powerful for the simple fact that people are so used to using their phone. So you have no excuses whatsoever. You can get on camera and start talking to your audience. Now, what do you say on these videos and on these audios? Well, what you say is, you say a variation of your message. So again, using an example, let's say, for instance, I'm helping people to lose weight. If I'm helping people to lose weight and I've gone out and attracted the right people, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to give them some daily tips. So maybe I'm going to go out on video and I'm going to send them a message and I'm going to say, hey there, thank you so much for being part of my chatbot. Today I'm going to give you a little 2-minute exercise that anybody can do from home. And if you do this every single day, then it's going to dramatically increase your performance when you go to the gym. There's a nice simple video. Maybe you're going to do more of a video where you're in the kitchen and you're doing a 60-second food prep. So you're going to be in the kitchen. Hey, what's up guys? My name's Scott Holroyd. Thank you so much for joining me for the 60-second food prep. Today we're going to be making some burritos. Okay, start the timer. And then you make a burrito in 60 seconds and then you're all done. Okay, I don't even know if that's possible, but you get the idea. So again, what people are doing there is they're buying into your message, but you could have done that just on a text-based post, but you haven't. You've done that in real life. You've actually done that in front of their face, and this is fantastic if you're going out and your end result or your end sales funnel is to get them on the phone, because now they've invested in you. They've invested their time in you and your message and you as a person, and same with audio. So audio could be exactly the same. Audio could be, for instance, the top 5 tips of what you should and should not do on a morning. Okay, so nice and simple. If you were to put out an audio, it could be something like, again, hey guys, how you doing? Scott Holroyd here. Today I'm going to go through the 5 breakfast mistakes that people make. Step number 1, you need to make sure you're hitting this amount of calories. Step number 2, you need to do this, blah, 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 blah. Whatever that may be. I don't know anything about health and fitness, but you get the idea. So be very clear on your message, whether it's video or audio, and start using these 2 marketing concepts, because honestly, throughout 2020, audio is going to be huge. Video is already huge, but audio is a way of marketing to people when they're not normally in their standard viewing time. They can throw in their earphones, they can listen to it on the go, and it's really, really powerful. So I'm going to give you an example of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually record a video right now. I'm going to record a very short video so you can see what sort of videos I'm recording. And then I'm also going to do an audio broadcast. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send out a broadcast to all my subscribers, and it's going to start out with a video. It's going to have a next button on it, and then it's going to go over to an audio. If you haven't been part of my chatbot or you haven't subscribed to my chatbot and you want to see what this looks like and how it looks on Messenger, then I've put the link to go and grab some templates in the description above this video. When you click on that link, it'll go take you over to grab some templates, plus you'll be then subscribed to my bot, and what I'll also do then is when I broadcast this message out a little bit later today, you'll receive a copy. So we're going to do one video that has a next button on there that leads to one audio. Now, I'm not saying that you have to do video and audio at the same time all the time, but I want to show you the power of these 2 things. So let's jump on in and let's record our video. Okay, let's get comfortable. Right, here we go. Always remember what you're going to say. Always think about what you're going to say before you say it. Okay, I'm nervous now because you're actually watching me record a video, but let's do this. Okay. Hey, what's up, chatbot subscribers? Scott Holroyd here. Hope you're having an awesome day. So I'm here today to talk to you really quickly about the power of video and audio messaging. And I've just put out a video over in my Chatbot Marketing X group where I've shown my group members how to use video and audio within their chatbot flows to increase engagement and get massive, massive results. And I want to give you an example of this. So this video is actually part of the video that I put out to my guys over in the group. And I want to say to you that if you're going out and you're using chatbots and you're not using videos right now, then you're missing a massive opportunity. Now, what I've done today is I've given you this video, and also I've put a next button underneath. And when you click that next button, it's going to send you over to an audio message. I'm going to give you a quick message about all the benefits of being in my free Chatbot Marketing X group. And if you're not already a member, underneath the audio message, you're going to be able to click a button that takes you straight over to Facebook where you can join us. So, thank you so much for taking part in this experiment, and I'll catch you in a little bit. Okay, so that were nice and easy, okay? I want to make sure that the video that I'm putting out there is no more than 3 minutes, because 25 megabytes means nothing. You're probably looking at around about 2 to 3 minutes worth of video footage. And again, it depends on how you record the video, it depends on how you edit the video. So I use QuickTime to record my videos, which is a very big file size, and then I use Final Cut Pro to do all my editing, which again is a very big file size. But there's a plenty of compression software out there, such as Handbrake, which is what I use, which is completely free, and you can compress that video right down so it shrinks to the size that you need for your chatbot. So the last thing that I'm going to do now is record my audio so that we can put an audio after that video, and I'm going to bring people into this group. So with that in mind, let's record the audio. And it's just the same with audio as it is with the video. Just think about what you're going to say, don't put too much pressure on yourself, and then just record it. So it makes no difference now what you do. You don't have to present as such because nobody's going to see your face. So I'm just going to talk into the microphone. Thank you so much for clicking on the next button. So, like I've said in the previous video, I truly believe in the power of video and audio marketing, and I think this is going to be a huge trend in 2020 for the simple fact that when you're putting audio content out to your subscribers, there's no view time. So when you're putting a video out, it's fantastic, it builds an amazing brand. But when you're putting out audio, people can actually listen to this at all times of the day. They're not limited to be sat in front of a computer or to have sound on their device while they're watching this video. They can plug in their earphones, they can listen on the commute, they can listen on the go, they can even listen at the gym. So audio messaging is so powerful. Now, if you want to learn more about video messaging and also audio messaging and how you can plug these into your chatbot flows, or if you just want to learn how to use chatbots within your own marketing funnel to drive a ton of daily leads and also massive engagements with your audience, then all I want you to do is click on the button below this message. That's going to take you over to my free Facebook group, and I'm going to give you some templates. I'm going to give you absolutely everything, all the resources you're going to possibly need to start using chatbots in your business today. So thank you so much for being here. Click on the button below and I'll see you in the group. There you go. Nice and simple. Okay, now I don't like to script my videos or my audio for the simple fact that it doesn't seem natural when I do that. So I have a rough idea of what I'm going to say or kind of the message that I'm going to go out with, and then I go out with it. So that's it. Use video, use audio within your flows. It's super simple to do. It's really easy to push out there. And don't forget that people buy people. And the more you can get on camera, or if you're too shy to get on camera, the more you can get on microphone and start connecting with your audience, the more results that you're going to get. So I hope you got something from this. Don't forget to leave me a comment below with any questions you've got or with any feedback, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'll see you in a bit.